Hey guys, have you been wondering, sorry guys, but have you been wondering how would you make a gaming setup? Well, today's the day. So we're gonna build a gaming setup. I will show you how to make it. So let's go over the inventory here. Last time we built a mailbox, a mailbox and a fan. And what we're doing is something, computer. So we're gonna grab the items here. I need a piece of carpet. I'm just gonna go with white. It doesn't matter, it's not gonna show anyway. Armor stands. You will need chainmail helmets. Chain helmets. We're gonna need a redstone torch, normal pistons, any type of power source, and a block of choice for your deck. I'm just gonna go with oak with it. It really doesn't matter, guys, but it does matter what you want. So we break one block, place one piece of carpet on it. We place one armor stand on each side, so it goes like that to make sure it's perfectly straight. Place chainmail helmets on them. Now God, this is not even the gaming stuff. We're working on the keyboard. And we're gonna make this facing inwards like that. Inwards into base pistons. We place one block of redstone on each side. Now guys, destroy the piston first, and then destroy the power source. Now, let's just pretend this is a wall right here. We need a wall, so you'll see why we have a redstone torch anyway. So we place we place a piston facing downwards. Wait, sorry, my computer is really laggy. We go over here, we place our block, and then we send power to it. Now break the redstone source. We place any block of choice under it. I would recommend using it, and then send power to it again. So now we have this. Now it's time to expand our desk. So we're gonna add more to our desk right here. So we're gonna break all of this. We're gonna dig down 2 blocks. Now these are the monitors. We're placing 2 redstone torches. And then we place blocks over them. We have iron trapdoors. And you go behind the keyboard, and we place trapdoors. Should give us this really cool thing. And we're not even close to the end. We're almost to the end. So what we need now is a button. Sorry if I'm a little too loud. I'm just excited. We place a button facing. We place a button to look like our mouse. And then we grab a painting. Painting right here. End rod. And then an anvil. And then, so what we need for the painting is we go to the crash mode and we go place one painting there and I'll place another painting. And then we go this way, place a anvil and place an emerald. And that is the whole gaming setup. This is supposed to be the PC. That's the outlet. This is the keyboard, and this is the mouse, and this is the monitor. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, like, and see you in the next video. How to make actually don't know yet. How to make a vid. Nah. Well, I'll probably figure it out tomorrow or today. So, bye.